Hey, howdy up family. Smash that like button right now because I'm about to blow your mind with something you use every single day. What's sitting in your bathroom that requires one of the most sophisticated manufacturing processes on earth? Toilet paper. And trust me, after you see how this works, you'll never look at a roll the same way again. Here's a shocking number: the world produces over 83 million tons of toilet paper every year. That's enough to wrap around Earth 1,200 times. Yet most of us have no clue how any of this actually happens. So today on How to Hub, I'm taking you inside this incredible manufacturing process. First, let's talk about the absolutely insane scale of this industry. Every single day, factories worldwide crank out over 200 million toilet paper rolls. If you laid all that end to end, it would stretch from New York to Los Angeles and back every 24 hours. A single production line can pump out 2,000 rolls per minute. In the time you brush your teeth, one machine creates enough toilet paper for 400 families to use all day. The whole industry is worth over $30 billion annually, bigger than some countries' entire economies. So how does this mind-blowing process actually work? It starts in carefully managed forests where manufacturers are incredibly picky about wood selection. They use a blend of hardwood for strength and softwood for softness, like creating the perfect recipe, except you're engineering ideal fiber quality. The wood chips go into massive digesters, think 3-story pressure cookers heated to 170 degrees Celsius. Heat and chemicals break down lignin, the natural glue holding wood fibers together, leaving behind pure cellulose fibers. What comes out looks like thick brown soup. This pulp gets bleached in multiple stages using chlorine dioxide or hydrogen peroxide to achieve that bright white color. Then it's diluted until it's 99% water and 1% fiber, basically the thinnest soup imaginable. Now here's where the magic happens. This watery mixture gets fed onto a machine longer than 2 football fields, traveling at 1,200 meters per minute. As the liquid hits a moving wire mesh, water drains through while fibers bind together on top. You're literally watching paper form from liquid. The paper moves through press rollers applying tons of pressure, then wraps around massive heated cylinders 12 feet in diameter, heated over 200 degrees. There can be 50 of these cylinders in one machine. As paper travels over them, remaining water evaporates and fibers bond permanently. This creates continuous tissue sheets wound into enormous parent rolls weighing several tons. But toilet paper is usually multiply, so they laminate multiple sheets together using precise amounts of adhesive and pressure. Embossing happens next. Massive steel rollers press patterns into the paper. This isn't just decorative, it increases absorbency by creating more surface area and tiny moisture-holding pockets. Now comes the converting miracle. Those enormous parent rolls get unwound while maintaining perfect tension, monitored thousands of times per second. Perforating blades create tear lines every 4.5 inches with millimeter precision. The continuous sheet gets wound around cardboard cores at incredible speeds, creating individual rolls at up to 2,000 per minute. Machines count perforations to ensure every roll has exactly the right number of sheets, usually 200 to 250. Quality control is absolutely sophisticated. They continuously test tensile strength, absorbency rates, softness levels, moisture content, and perforation consistency. Roll diameter and sheet count get verified on every single roll. Color matching technology ensures consistent whiteness across production runs. Cameras constantly check for defects while the paper streams past at incomprehensible speeds. Any roll not meeting specifications gets automatically ejected. Modern facilities reject less than 1% of production, but that's still thousands of rolls daily to maintain quality. The finished rolls get wrapped in high-speed packaging machines applying plastic film at hundreds of rolls per minute, then grouped into multi-packs. These factories run 24/7, the only stops are for maintenance. A single facility might have 8 production lines running simultaneously. Here's what really puts this in perspective: the toilet paper you bought this week was probably manufactured less than 72 hours ago. From raw materials to store shelf in 3 days or less. So there you have it, How to Hub Family. What seems like the simplest product is actually the result of incredibly sophisticated manufacturing. Chemistry, engineering, precision automation, and quality control all working together to create billions of perfect rolls daily. What surprised you most? The massive scale? Incredible speed? Those quality standards? Drop a comment below and let me know what blew your mind. If this changed how you think about everyday products, smash that like button. Subscribe and hit the notification bell because next week we're diving into aluminum can manufacturing even more mind-blowing than this. What everyday product should we explore next? Comment your suggestions because I read every one and your ideas influence our videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time when we uncover another manufacturing mystery hiding in plain sight.